When you think of Razer, you think of slick gaming laptops with crazy backlit keyboards. But one of my favorite Razer systems is actually the company's non-gaming laptop, the Razer Blade Stealth. Every generation of this slim 13-inch laptop has gotten better, and a redesigned model hitting just in time for the holidays is no exception. The biggest drawback on older models, a fairly thick screen bezel, has been almost totally erased, giving it a sleeker, more modern look. The screen comes in full HD or 4K options, matte finish in the former, touch for the latter, and the webcam can now log you in with facial recognition from Windows Hello. One of the more unique elements of Razer laptops, the glowing green snake logo on the back, has even gotten a makeover. As a non-gaming laptop, this now has a subtle tone-on-tone version that won't draw too much extra attention at work. Now, when I say this isn't a gaming laptop, that's true, but it's also the first time a Razer Blade Stealth has offered any kind of Nvidia graphics. In this case, it's the GeForce MX150, which isn't a powerhouse but does let you do some casual gaming, and helps with photo and video work. Keep in mind, that's optional and will cost extra. And if you want to go super gaming on it, well, just hook up the sold separately Razer Core, which is an external GPU box that plugs into any USB-C Thunderbolt port. And speaking of that, for a super thin laptop, the new Blade Stealth breaks with the pack in one more very important way. While almost everyone else is going USB-C only, this has 3 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports. At the very least, that might save you from carrying a few extra dongles.